Hello everyone, long time no film. Oh, I was missing you guys. It's been, it really hasn't been a while for you all. You have seen the regularly scheduled programming. I haven't filmed in like probably a week or so here. I've been working still, editing and whatnot, but I was just at a wedding. I was out of town this past weekend, so it feels like it's been a long time. Blah, blah, blah. Does it matter? No. Today, who's ready to test out a mask? I'm assuming you are since you clicked on this video. I have got a mask here that I have had sitting around from e.l.f. for a while now. They sent this to me in hopes of a review, but as you guys know, I'm not obligated to review things that companies sent me, and I definitely only give out 100% honest reviews, and e.l.f. knows that from me, but just so you guys know, I did not pay for this, but we are going to test it out together because I think it sounds super interesting and I've been wanting to test it out with you guys. This is the e.l.f. Beauty Shield Antioxidant Enriched Skin Protecting Recharging Magnetic Face Mask Kit. Ugh. I was so close. I came so close through all of that without messing up the name. And then right in the last few words, botched it. Oh well. It's got a magnetic tool with it and unique mask formula. I've seen magnetic masks before. I don't know that this is really unique, but it is unique to the drugstore. As far as I know, I've never seen a magnetic mask at the drugstore, and that's why I was really excited about this. It says that the kit includes recharging magnetic mask, a dual-sided magnetic tool, and 20 magnet covers. It is a $24 kit, but it is completely cruelty-free and vegan, which is awesome. It has decent reviews from the people of the world, but it did get 2018's Glamour Beauty Award, so for what it's worth, there you go. The mask basically is just supposed to, you know, remove impurities from your skin. It's got a bunch of good ingredients. Here they are. Some different antioxidant oils, vitamin C, I think it said, argan oil, just different stuff to detox and make your skin nice again. So let's go ahead and crack on into this. Oh, and if you guys haven't seen before, this is basically what a magnetic mask ends up looking like when you go to take it off. It like, you use the tool to wave it over your face and it like peels the mask off. It just looks really darn interesting. I think the only other brands that I've really ever seen do magnetic face masks before are Korean skincare brands. Like I said, to my knowledge, this is the only like American magnetic mask, and certainly to my knowledge, the only drugstore magnetic mask. So just like the box, this tool is actually holographic. I'm not sure that it's going to show up on camera, but it does have like a rainbow. Maybe it's not holographic. I take that back. Iridescent? Pearlescent, it does shine like pink and purple and blue and stuff, and then it's got the magnet on this side. It is very, you know, heavy on that end for the magnet. I mean, it's not like you're lifting weights with this, but it does have a heft to it. And then the lid to this has that same pearlescence. It's like a wannabe holographic like the actual box, but either way. I'm gonna open this up, take a peek, see. Oh, that's really cute. I mean, this is just a stupid little detail, but on the little cover thing, it's a leaf. The part that you like lift up, it's a little leaf. That's really cute. Does anyone else? I care about these things. I think that's adorable. Okay, so we have a mask here. Oh, that actually smells really good. It smells like a product that I've used before, but it's kind of, it's definitely like a fruit smoothie kind of a scent. Oh, what? That's gonna bother me. It really smells like something I've used before. Is it something from Fresh? Either way, it smells good to me. Oh, interesting. Okay, so it says with the scoop of the magnetic tool, you apply the mask to a clean, dry face, avoiding the eye area, and leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. So maybe not the best idea for me to have glasses on for this video, but my eyes were bugging me today, so I really didn't want to irritate them by putting contacts in. As you can see here, maybe if I zoomed you in, you could see a little better. My skin's not doing awful, but it's certainly not amazing. Ugh. I also got sunburnt at that wedding. Yeah, they didn't have out enough umbrellas for the ceremony, so I got to be one of the lucky few that sat in the direct Californian sun. So this mask, I'm gonna use the stuff that was on the lid here. I'm using my finger because it's just habit, I guess. So I'm gonna apply this to clean skin. But yeah, did I say? Here's my skin. Now let's cover it. So it's very smooth feeling, like it's the color of a charcoal mask, but it doesn't feel like one. Like a charcoal mask to me is usually a lot thicker. This has like a silicone feeling to it, which is a bit strange to me. I don't really know how thick of a layer I'm supposed to put on, if thick at all. It just says apply mask. I guess we'll find out. But yeah, it really does feel very, very silicone-y, which, like I said, is very strange for a mask. I don't know if that's from the different oils and stuff and extracts that they have in here, but it feels a bit like warming on the skin, I think. But it's got a very like mousse kind of a texture to it. But like certainly on the spots where I have some zits at the moment, that's where it's feeling a bit warm. Which to me, I always like that kind of thing. I mean, it's not uncomfortable. In my head, I'm like, ooh, it must be working. If it warms or cools or feels different from the norm. Is that really true? I don't know, but that is how I feel anyways. And there we go. So 5 to 10 minutes. We'll see. I'm not sure if it like dries down. Just putting the cover back on this. And now we wait 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna jam out for 5 to 10 minutes here. I've fallen back in love with newest. I can't help it. And voila. Okay, so while I was rocking out there, I did decide to take a look at the ingredients on the back of the box while I was breaking the box down, and I'm a little, e.l.f. First ingredient is iron powder, which I'm assuming is what makes this magnetic. Second and third ingredients are types of silicone. So we've got cyclopentasiloxane and then also dimethicone. Why would that be in a face mask? Like, I don't really know that there are any skin benefits that come from those ingredients. I personally always try to avoid those ingredients in my cosmetics because they tend to break me out. However, that is when I wear them, over a prolonged amount of time, many hours during the day for many days in a row. But that's still a little weird to me. And then thankfully, after that, it's a lot of, the oils and stuff that they were talking about. But then the third to last ingredient, which, okay, it is low on the ingredient list, but it's still there. And that's fragrance, perfume. I understand wanting to make a mask smell good. However, perfume is another one of those things that tends to break a lot of people's skin out, and it is not good for the skin to have fragrance on it, as far as I know. So I just thought that was a little like, and it also made sense as to why it felt like I was rubbing silicone on my skin when I was first applying this. So now that that is all done, I don't think this is like dried. Yeah, no, not really. On my finger, the little remnants do feel a bit dry, but you're supposed to take one of these magnet covers. This just makes cleanup easier, I'm pretty sure. And then you slip this on here. Say what you will. And then you're just supposed to hover this above the skin or close to the skin, just above the surface of the skin, and glide slowly. I'm nervous. I'm excited. Let's do this. Ah! Woo! It works. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is the weirdest thing ever. Look how cool. Isn't that neat? I don't know. I think that's super cool. I mean, it's not like, as far as I know, we're not like, gonna pull blackheads and stuff out of the skin. But that is so freaking cool. Oh, and it feels like tingly as it's happening. It's hard to show because obviously this is like covering my face as it's going. Doesn't that look like uni? Little sea urchin? I feel like I should have to like flip the cover. Oh my gosh, that is the coolest feeling thing I have ever put on my face in my life. Or taken off my face, I guess. Let's see. I'm just gonna kind of shift this a little bit, which is a little difficult with these shavings on here because they're magnetic. This is very cool to me, you guys. Now, are there actual benefits to a mask coming off this way? I don't know, but it sure is a lot of fun. Ooh. It really does. It's just like a very soft, like a prickly kind of a feeling. Oh. It feels like I'm touching one of those, what are they called? They're like those nail boards or whatever, and you can like push your hand in it and it'll leave the shape. So again, I feel like I need a clean surface or a cleaner surface, because it said for best results, you're not supposed to rinse your skin with water after this. I don't know. I guess I'm assuming that's so that the oils and stuff that are in the mask, so that they can actually, you know, sink into your skin and work over time. But I also feel like it's going to be very hard to completely get this off. I mean, with some of these areas, I feel like I'm having to like actually rub the magnet on my actual skin. But that is so cool! Anyone else? I don't know why I find that so fascinating. Is it exciting for you guys to watch? I hope so, because I really don't feel like you can actually see what I'm doing. I'm so sorry. It looks like I just gave it a little beard. Maybe from this angle you'll be able to see it better? Ooh. It's so cool feeling. I wish I could describe the feeling of this better, you guys, but you're just gonna have to believe me that it feels really freaking cool. Not like cooling, but like groovy, dude. Does anyone say that anymore? Did anyone ever say that ever? Oh, this is getting really difficult to pull around on here. It's just getting so strong. Now the real question is, how the heck am I supposed to get this off or out of my nose crease? Or my nose creases, I guess there are multiple. Now's the time that I'm gonna try and, oh, that is not how that was supposed to work, theoretically. Oh my god, it's really hard. Really hard to get off. Oh no. How is this supposed to, I don't. I'm laughing because I don't know what to do. I mean, honestly, at this point, screw the cover. I'm just gonna. Ooh. Maybe the cover did make a difference. Oh, I have made an absolute mess of this. How am I supposed to get it off in my nose crease, though? Oh my god. Here, can you see? Getting it pulled off my finger. So cleanup here didn't really work. And now I just feel like I have a lot of silicone left on my face. Like, am I really supposed to just leave it like this? But I couldn't get these little last pieces off, so I don't really know what else I would do. But there we go. The only difference I see is that I have some left on my nose here. Big surprise. So that's a little scary. That's a little scary that I'm supposed to leave this on my face. Also, that was a mess, because when you try to pull the sheet off of the magnetic thing, the part of the mask on top of it, I don't know that it was actually on camera for you to see, but like that part ended up sliding off of the sheet covering and then sliding onto the magnetic handle, which, like, is it the end of the world? No. You can just wash that off, but I feel like it kind of defeats the purpose of having that cover on the magnetic wand thing. So there we go, you guys. I'm so nervous for my skin. I will show you guys, I will insert a picture of my face tomorrow so that you can see if I wake up with a breakout. Oh, I am itching to wipe this off of my face, but I won't. I will do as e.l.f. tells me, and they tell me that I'm supposed to leave this on my skin, so I'm gonna do that. But, I mean, it was a fun experience. I don't know that I would ever use this mask again unless I wake up in the morning and I've got, like, the most fantastic results ever, because as of right now, my skin doesn't feel detoxified. Like, I feel like a charcoal mask or something leaves my skin feeling once I wash it off. I just feel like I said, I have a bunch of silicone and oil on my face, so that's nerve-wracking. It was fun, but am I ever going to use it again? Like I said, I'm not so sure about that, but thank you, e.l.f. I'm really happy I got to test this out, finally. It took me long enough. I hope you all enjoyed watching and seeing how this magnetic mask works, and hopefully it gave you an idea of whether this is going to be something that you are going to want to purchase for yourself and try out for yourself. If anything, it might be fun to do with friends or something, but you all should also let me know in the comments down below, have you ever tried out a magnetic face mask before? If you have, what brand was it? What was your experience? Do you feel like it really helped your skin, or do you feel like this is more of a gimmick? Definitely let me know. I love hearing from you guys in the comments down below, and if you did enjoy this video, found it helpful, you know, whatever the case may be, please do go ahead, give me a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more content from me in the future. You can become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!